So here is quick preview of Meta Quest app. What is this app? This is basically like a marketplace or like go-to point for Facebook Meta VR devices and headsets. You can browse and buy VR games, apps, and experience from the Meta Quest store if you own Meta Quest VR device. Otherwise, this app is really not that useful. So you can remotely install VR apps. You can reserve your virtual set for live events, virtual seat, find friends in VR, get notifications, manage and monitor your Meta Quest devices. You can cast VR to TV. You can track your VR workouts, all of that. So yeah, if you have a Meta Quest VR headset, one of those, you definitely need this app. Formerly it was called Oculus, but now I think they just did like rebranding. So yeah, you create your account just by logging in with your Facebook account, and then you can just connect your Instagram and all of that. So here you can see your latest activity. You can edit your avatar in VR. And of course you need to connect one of devices to this app. So you can connect Quest, Quest 2 and Quest Pro, or Rift S and Quest with Oculus Link Go. So these are all the devices you can connect here. Then basically it's like a marketplace, like a Google Play Store or iOS App Store with all the apps which are super cool for VR. So here you can see some games, different experiences, all of that. If you actually tried like Meta Quest, it's pretty cool. I think it's still in the early stages because you know some people don't understand it. You need to wear it. It can be quite heavy or can be take some time to set up. But if you really try one of those newer devices, it's I tried one of those on some like tech conference, and I just was trying it out in Meta booth or something like that. It's pretty cool, and yeah, it's getting much more advanced. Like the graphics, everything with these apps, it's becoming really cool. So it's a great experience. Also, you can watch you can watch live gig, live concert here in VR, which is amazing. You can see some series, you can see some apps, Prime Video VR, multiplayer apps, all of that. So all then you can see some details, some updates. So then I don't know what this is, like recorded casts. So you can record and store your cast here. Then also this app is like a social media, so you can search for apps, but you can also search for people, and then you can just follow people from here. You can request them, you can block or report, you can chat. So it's kind of like a VR Facebook as well. So then like you have store tab where you have games, apps, entertainment, and wish list. And then you just kind of have a gallery where you can share your VR experience. It's kind of like Instagram. So capture casting moments, record videos, and capture pictures while you are casting. And then you just have menu in bottom right. Here you have all the events, invite links, people, challenges. Here, yeah, again, you have your own profile. And then you have just settings, account settings. You can delete your data. And then account center, where I hope you can just delete your account easily from here. But Meta Account Center basically connects all your accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and Meta Quest. So then you can just go to accounts, and then yeah. So yeah, from here you can remove an account. Will also remove any profiles managed by that account. So there you have it. So this is just like a quick overview of the app, what you can expect from it, just to help you navigate through it. Of course, probably it will evolve a lot. I think previously this app was called Oculus. Now it was just rebranded to Meta Quest. Right now, during holidays, this app is in the top charts in US App Store. So definitely great app. So try it out.